Hi and welcome to Cooking from Scratch. In this video, we're going to be making black and white cookies. So to begin, we're going to take 1/3 cup of butter that's been softened, and to that we're going to cream in half a cup of sugar. And once those have been creamed together, we're going to go ahead and add 1 egg and combine that in, as well as 1/3 cup of buttermilk. And we'll also add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. And once these are all combined, we're going to start to add our dry ingredients. So we're going to add 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 1/4 cups of flour, and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Once our dough comes together and is nicely mixed, we're going to scoop these into 1 1/2 tablespoon sized balls, and we're going to bake this for 15 to 17 minutes at 350 degrees until the cookies are nicely set. So to make the icing, we need 1.5 cups of confectioner's sugar, and to that we're going to add 1 tablespoon of corn syrup. If you don't have corn syrup, you can use a mixture of 4 parts sugar and 1 part water. And again, you can still just use a tablespoon of that mixture. And we're also going to add 2 teaspoons of lemon juice and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. And that will create our white icing. And we're going to take half of this and reserve it off to the side, and we're going to take the other half and we're going to make our chocolate icing. So to do that, we add 1/4 cup of dark cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon more of water, and a teaspoon of espresso powder, and mix this together. And now we have our 2 icings. And so we're going to take each cookie and we're going to flip it upside down, and we're going to frost half of the side with our white icing and the other half of the side with our chocolate icing. And there you have it, black and white cookies. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more content like this.